In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom backgrounds on Google Meet. Whether you're looking to add touch of fun to your meetings or just want to hide a messy background, changing the Google Meet backdrop is a breeze. Let's begin by heading over to Google Calendar. This is where you typically schedule your Google Meet calls. Navigate to the date and time of your meeting, and once you find it, click on Join with Google Meet. This will launch the meeting in a new window. Once your Google Meet window is open, you'll see an option to Join Now. Go ahead and click that. As you enter the meeting, you'll notice some icons on the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where the magic happens for customizing your background. Now look for the 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options button. Clicking this will open up a variety of settings you can adjust to your preference. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Background and Effects. This is the section that allows customization of your video background. Once you're in the Background and Effects menu, you'll see a range of backgrounds ready for you to choose. You can select from the available options, which might include simple color changes or even animated scenes. If you already have a specific image in mind for your background, look for the option to upload your own picture. Having a personalized image not only adds a unique touch, but can also act as a talking point during the meeting. Now, important tip. Ensure the image you select is appropriate for the audience you'll be meeting with. A cohesive and professional background sets the tone for formal meetings, while more playful choices are suitable for laid-back environments. Once you've picked a background, it will apply immediately, giving you a preview of how you'll appear to others in the meeting. You can change this as many times as you want, so feel free to test a few options before settling on the one you like. These custom backgrounds aren't just for privacy. They can actually enhance engagement during your calls. Whether you're teaching a lesson, giving a presentation, or attending a casual catch-up, these effects can make your Google Meet sessions a bit more enjoyable and personalized. Now that you know how to modify your background on Google Meet, go ahead and give it a try before your next meeting. It's a simple yet effective way to elevate your virtual communication. Thank you for watching.